Chapter 7 Interdependence in Living Beings, Plants and Animals. All living things in our environment are a part of biotic components. Plants. Green plants are called producers because they can prepare food themselves. They are a source of food for all living things directly or indirectly. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They take in carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and in the presence of the green pigment called chlorophyll, they prepare food in the form of sugar. The plant uses some food for its own growth and repair of worn-out cells. Extra food is stored in different parts of the plant. This is used by animals and humans. Blow your mind. Who are autotrophs? Animals. Animals are called consumers because they cannot prepare their own food and depend on green plants directly or indirectly for food. Consumers are of the following types. Herbivores. These are primary consumers and depend on plants directly for their food. Example: cow, goat, and deer. Carnivores. These are animals that kill and eat other animals. Example: lion and tiger. Omnivores. These are animals that eat both plants and animals. Example: man, crow, and dog. Decomposers. These include microorganisms like bacteria and fungi that decompose organic matter. This increases soil fertility. Decomposers help to recycle nutrients in the environment. Scavengers. These are animals that eat dead animals. Example: vultures and hyenas. Dependence of animals on plants. All animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. Animals depend on plants for oxygen that is produced during the process of photosynthesis. Dependence of plants on animals. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which plants use for the process of photosynthesis. The decomposed body of animals adds nutrients to the soil. Animals help in seed dispersal. Insects help in pollination. Energy chain. Sun is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. The sun energy is captured by green plants during the process of photosynthesis and flows into animals across a food chain. Food chain. Food chain is a chain in which transfer of energy takes place from producers to consumers to decomposers. All food chains start with green plants, producers. Plants are eaten by herbivores, and they are called primary consumers. A fact: many interlinked food chains form a food web. Carnivores indirectly use the food made by plants when they eat herbivores. They are called secondary consumers. When plant and animals die, their bodies are broken down into simpler substances by decomposers. Food chains occur everywhere in nature, on land, and in water. A balance between plants and animals is essential. If we remove all carnivores from the food chain, the population of herbivores will increase. This will result in decrease in number of plants on the earth, which will eventually result in shortage of food. Hence, a balance between plants and animals is essential in nature. Causes of imbalance in nature. Humans have made changes in the environment to fulfill their needs. This results in an imbalance in nature. Man is cutting down forests in large numbers to produce land to build houses, factories, etc. Cutting down of trees and burning of fuels result in increase in carbon dioxide, which increases the Earth's temperature and result in global warming. Forest fires destroy forests, making animals homeless. Hunting of animals for body parts reduces number of animals and makes them endangered. Remember, the environment is ours and we need to protect it. Quick recall. Green plants are producers as they prepare their own food. Consumers depend on green plants for their food directly or indirectly. Consumers can be grouped as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, decomposers, and scavengers. Plants and animals are interdependent. There is a flow of energy across a food chain. A balance between plants and animals is essential. Some causes of imbalance in nature are deforestation, forest fires, hunting of animals, etc. New words. Producers. Green plants that prepare their own food. Consumers. Animals and humans that depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Photosynthesis. The process by which green plants prepare their own food. Decomposers. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi that decompose organic matter. Scavengers. Animals that eat dead animals. Food chain. The chain in which there is flow of energy from producers to decomposers.